Hello everyone, this is Amit Kumar Singh. Welcome to my class on MS Excel. In this class, I'll discuss the number of ways how you can open an MS Excel workbook. The traditional way you can do right click under new, you can find Excel worksheet. If you click on that, you will get a template. Now you can change the name of the workbook from here, and then you can double click on this and you can open the Excel workbook. This is the one way you can open Excel workbook. Other way, what you can do, you can simply press Window R. If you press Window R, in that just write Excel and you just press enter, and you can see the Excel workbook will get. This is another way how you can open MS Excel workbook. Okay. Now the other way how you can open MS Excel workbook is that if you press window, under window, you'll definitely find Excel. You just do double click here and you can open MS Excel. Other way, what you can do search. In search, if you write Excel, in Excel, you will find this app for Excel and you can open the Excel from here. I hope you understood how you can open MS Excel in many ways. Thank you.